All right, so you have a brand new Gbox Q3 and you want to install Morpheus TV on it. The first thing you're going to have to do is connect it to the internet. In the top right corner, you're going to see an icon that looks like a gear. If you press right here, it'll open up your network settings. Select on your network, then you're going to enter your password. Once you get into your password, go ahead and click that little button there, and it's going to go ahead and start connecting. It should say connected successfully. If it doesn't say that, you're going to have to re-enter your password. After you enter the Matricom store, make sure that you allow it any permission that it might ask so it can go ahead and do its thing for you. Right here in the applications tab, we're looking for the entertainment, and it has a little picture of a camera on there. Click right there. Scroll down until you find Morpheus TV. When you find Morpheus TV, click OK, then click here on Install. After it's finished installing, it should open up the package installer, then click Install again one more time. And that's all there is to it. Remember, you can access any application you download from the Avenger Store in your App Store from the home screen. And we were glad to be of assistance. Make sure that you like and share our videos. And definitely make sure that you hit that red subscribe button and turn your notifications on so you can tell when we upload our latest videos. We definitely appreciate you watching. We're waiting on your comments below. And as always, have a great day.